I'm coming to the next part of the revision. Why was the elder brother confused about the subjects? The elder brother was confused in studying various subjects. He could not remember the names of the kings in history, nor he could understand the laws related to geometry or algebra. The subjects like European history, algebra and geometry created confusion in him. As he was not intelligent, he was not able to understand the difference between the subjects. Why could not the big brother remember everything? Though the big brother kept his book open, he did not pay attention to the subject. He did not like to study, so he failed to memorize the names of the kings or history or the laws of algebra and geometry. He was studious but not intelligent. What did the big brother tell the younger brother? The big brother told the younger brother that when younger brother would get into his class, he would understand the importance of various subjects. Though the elder brother had failed, he was still older than him and he had more experience of the world. The younger brother might have got first division, but he should not be proud. Why was the narrator's pleasure in passing cut half? The narrator's pleasure in passing was cut half because the narrator's big brother could not pass again. Though his big brother had just about killed himself with his work, but he failed to get promotion in the next class. What unworthy idea troubled the narrator? There was only one grade left behind him and his big brother. The narrator thought if the big brother would fail, then he would be in the same level and then he would have no grounds for lecturing him. Thus, he considered to be an unworthy idea. Why did the big brother had become much gentler? The big brother had become much gentler because he was beginning to understand that he no longer had the right to scold the younger brother. Perhaps he could realize that his younger brother was better than him. What unfair advantage he took? He took an unfair advantage of his toleration and he now spent all his time flying kites. Why did he conceal his kite flying from him? He concealed his kite flying from him means the younger brother concealed or hid his kite flying from his older brother because he minded his manners with his elder brother. What happened when the narrator was running after a kite? When the narrator was running after a kite, his eyes were fixed on the kite in the sky. A whole army of boys came racing out to welcome it. Suddenly, he collided with his brother, who was probably returning from the market. Why did his big brother scold him? His big brother scolded him because he was running with some rowdy boys for a one-paise kite. The big brother pointed that he should have some self-respect and did not have any sense as he was in lower grade anymore. How did the big brother make him realize his importance as his elder brother? The big brother pointed out that he was 5 years older than him and that difference between them even God could not be moved. The younger brother would never be able to catch up with the experience of life that the big brother had. He was elder and his life's experience was more than his younger brother. His younger brother might achieve degrees like PhD MA, but his understanding of life would always be more than the younger brother. As an elder brother, he had every right to guide him. What did he tell the younger brother about his parents? The big brother told that his parents were not highly educated, but would always have the right to explain to them and to correct them. The parents would always have more experience of the world. They might know about history or might not know about history or geography, but the practical experience of their life is more than them. They had every right to guide them and show them the right track of life. How did the elder brother warn his younger brother? The elder brother warned the younger brother that if he had grown independent because he thought himself to be at the same level with his elder brother, the elder brother pointed out that he could beat him and he should not be proud. Why was the narrator ashamed? The narrator was ashamed because he could realize that his big brother was a very respectful boy. He realized that he was insignificant in front of his big brother, and his brother had every right to scold him. How did the story end? The story ended in an optimistic note as the big brother made the younger brother realize his responsibility. He pointed out that if he would not forget his responsibility, he would not be able to guide his younger brother. He had left all his hobbies, means the big brother had left all his hobbies and entertainment only to guide his younger brother. At the end, he jumped up and caught the kite. Two brothers went back to the hostel. Thus, a deep sense of love and respect grew between them. What type of character did the elder brother have? The elder brother was a very responsible person and he loved his younger brother. Though he tried to work very hard, he could not pass the exam. But he never gave any importance to other activities. He had a realization that parents used to earn money with lots of hard work. They had no right to waste them. He was a strong guide of his younger brother. He understood life better than him, as he again and again warned him about pride. He sacrificed his likes for his younger brother. He was very conscious and he knew if he would go out, means if the elder brother would go out of the track, he would not be able to guide his younger brother. The big brother was really an admirable character in the story. What do you feel about the younger brother? The younger brother was jolly intelligent, but he lacked practical experience of life. He respected his elder brother, but he was tired of his scoldings and preachings. He did not pay any attention to studies, but his elder brother guided him again and again. He did not think anything deeply, but acted in a very compulsive manner. He lacked self-control, but he was obedient. The big brother's guidance helped him to realize the truth of life. So this is a very nice story between the relationship of the two brothers. When the younger brother became proud of himself, the elder brother showed him the right track of life, that few people may not be literate, may not be highly educated, but they have the greater experience of life and they have every right to guide them and show them the positive way of life. And one should not be proud. One should feel the importance of the elders. One should respect them. One should learn from them, as learning of life is more important than the book. The experience of life will teach every man the best